Let's start this tutorial by sketching a standard rectangular bedroom. We're going to draw a rectangular room, and then we're going to give measurements to the walls and ceiling. The short wall is 12 feet, and the long wall is 15 feet, and then the ceiling height is 8 feet. Please refer to the ceiling types in the tutorial section of our website. Now we're going to add an adjoining subroom. In this case, it's a closet. We're going to use the same height as the bedroom, 8 feet. The long wall is 10 feet 8 inches, and the short wall is 2 feet 8 inches. Let's simplify the measurements. For example, the closet long wall, instead of writing 10 feet 8 inches in its standard format, we're just going to write 10,8. We'll use the same pattern for all measurements. Let's add a door to this closet by drawing a double bifold symbol with its size. All our symbols, such as doors, windows, wall openings, missing walls, etc., can be found in our symbols part of the tutorial sections on our website. Symbols are necessary if you're going to sketch the estimate, but as you will see further on this tutorial, symbols are not used when you dimension a room. This door is 6 feet by 6 feet and 6 inches. This door has no casing, also referred as framing, door opening, or trimming. Knowing if the door has a casing is important because depending on the damages and the scope of work required for the repairs, we may have to treat the casing by detaching and resetting it, painting it, or even removing and replacing it. If it does have a casing, you do not have to note anything. But in this case, it doesn't have a casing, so let's go ahead and note that. Since we are sketching, let's talk about the very functional DTW symbol, short for distance to wall, which means the distance between an item and wall. As an example, let's use the distance between the closet double bifold door and the wall to its left. From here all the way to the wall here, place the DTW symbol between the door and the wall, and we put the distance near the symbol. The DTW here is 1 foot and 6 inches from the double bifold door and the wall. We can't emphasize enough how important the DTW symbol is to place doors, windows, wall openings, etc. Time to sketch a few more items. Let's do a standard door. You start with a straight vertical line at the hinges, and you close the drawing with a curved line starting at the end of that vertical line and ending at the doorknob. Place the D, then the measurements. This happens to be a standard door measuring 2.6 by 6.8. When you are sketching a property, you have to make sure all your drawings follows the house plans. The best way is with blueprints, but in the majority of the cases, these are not provided. This is why we need location references, which will let us know which rooms are adjacent or adjoining to each other for proper placement. This is done in a simple manner. You indicate where the other room or rooms are with arrows. As you see in this sketch, an arrow is indicating that the hallway is adjoining to this bedroom. Bedrooms have windows, so let's go ahead and add these. Let's draw 2 parentheses, then we're going to put a slash in the middle of the parentheses. Near this symbol, we're going to note a W to indicate us that's a window. Then write the width first, then the height. This is a 3 feet by 3 feet window. On the other wall, we're going to place a 4 feet 4 inches by 4 feet window with the same parameters. This window and this window are placed right in the middle of the walls. No need for DTW symbols. A DTW symbol is also not needed for this door. Since it's drawn all the way to the left of that wall, it will be placed 2 to 4 inches to the left of that wall. Please include the DTW if it exceeds 4 inches. Now, we're going to create the exact same room, but instead of sketching the room, we will dimension it, which simply means to write the measurements without the need of drawing the room, nor symbols, nor location references, nor distance to walls. Dimensioned rooms are done by parts or segments. This bedroom has 2 segments. The first segment is the main bedroom, And the second segment is the closet. Having this in mind, let's start dimensioning. Name of the room is Bedroom 1. It's 12 feet by 15 feet by 8 feet height. It has a standard door, 2 feet 6 inches by 6 feet 8 inches. It has a window, 3 by 3 feet, a 4,4 by 4 window, a closet that measures 10,8 by 2,8 with a ceiling height of 8 feet, and has a double bifold door, 6 feet by 6 feet 6 inches with no casing. This is how you dimension a room. The sketched room to your left is exactly as the dimensioned room to your right. The difference is that the dimensioned one is much simpler. Both estimates will achieve the same results. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember to visit our tutorial section on our website to read the written tutorials since they are all connected. Also, please familiarize yourself with the symbols. Feel free to contact us directly. We would be more than happy to be of service to you. Thank you once again.